a video like Lee. Lee swings different than I do. I'm more square. Lee rotates open and then throws all at the same time, basically. So this is how you do it. Use a simple shoehorn to give you the idea. Right? We're up like this. We're at a dress. We just fold up, okay? Got a little turn. Now the heel can spin back. That's how I do it. Lee rocks on the outside. I like to spin the left heel back at the same time. It's very, very quick. Hands are fast motion. And they straighten out in front of you like this, well out in front. You can see my head stays very still. I have those angles. I'm straight up through the joints, through my ankles, knees, hip, 90 degrees. Then I'm bent forward about 23 degrees roughly this way from the top. It's basically 67 degrees, or you can think of it as 23 degrees from 90. So I'm bent this way, and we simply fold up, turn, this hip goes up, then it's going to come down. But what you do is the heel kicks back, and now I've got massive rotation and fast. All you do is start this rotation, that'll throw your arm. Keep your head dead steady. The speed is off the charts. That's how Lee's doing it. That's how I do it. But I'm more square. When I hit the ball, I'm going for a straight shot. He's going for a cut. So I tend to be dead on when I hit. And that's the motion. Your arms extend. You're super fast. We do it on the same angle. It's the best view. Then from the waist, we pre-measure. If I pre-measure with my left hand, reach over. Now I know that when my arm extends, I'm going to be to the low point, which is out in front of the ball. Unless it's a driver, I'm on top of the ball. Okay? Or just slightly in front of the ball. Okay? So I'm going to hit up. So it's just simply this. It's rotational. It's using the hips, but you're not spinning the hip like this. No, it's simply this movement. Very quick. Started by your left leg. That's all there is to it. It's simple. It's just a motion. Starts everything else, and in order to throw your arms, you have to have torso rotation. But that means you have to use the ground, your legs, to start the rotation, then the torso, then your arms are going to throw. That's how it works. Do it all on a tight axis like I'm doing right now. And your head stays still. Now do you see it?